Welcome back to Dad Deals for another edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. Now, this is a big weekend. We have Valentine's Day tomorrow, so all the dads out there, this is your reminder that this is your last chance to get a Valentine's Day present, get some flowers, and stay tuned. I'll show you where the best place is to get that and some gift ideas for you. And then we also have President's Day weekend that is on Monday, so you have a lot of good deals this weekend. So stay tuned and I'll break it all down for you. So as usual, I will have links to all the items posted below and sorted out by store and in the YouTube shopping feature. Full disclosure, some of those links are affiliate links and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So it's a great way to support my channel at no extra cost to you. So all right, sit back, relax, and without further ado, let's get started. So as I mentioned earlier, Valentine's Day is tomorrow. And if you're looking for flowers, probably the best place that I find to get flowers is usually Sam's Club. They have sort of 3 tiers of arrangements that won't break the bank. I've been getting my flowers there for the past few years. They always tend to last. And of course, you can pick them up in the store, but a lot of people don't know this. They will actually deliver them the same day. So that is an option as well. And then to go along with those flowers, I do want to give you one gift suggestion, and that is these eye massagers. These are great at relieving headache and eye strain that a lot of us have these days with our phones. If you suffer from migraines, they're great with that. And sort of an added benefit to this is it does cover up your eyes. So it really eliminates a lot of distractions and is very relaxing. Now, Renfo sent me a few of these units to try out and test a while ago, and my family has been obsessed with using them. So I highly recommend these. I think they'd be a great Valentine's Day present. And a lot of them are on sale right now. And over on Amazon, you should be able to get either same-day delivery or one-day delivery. So they'll be arriving tomorrow at the latest. But you can see here's this Renfo. This is sort of their overall pick over on Amazon. This is on sale for just over $50. They also have this new version. This is their Headspace partnership, which has a quieter motor, but it also links with the Headspace app, has built-in meditations that can guide you through some breathing exercises, has some music built into it. Now, that one is a little bit more expensive at $130. And if an eye massager is not your thing, I promise you one of these foot massagers will be. These are heated shiatsu massagers. They even have sort of air pillows built in, so they'll squeeze your feet. And these are awesome as well. These are on sale right now at $80. So there you go. There's your Valentine's Day already knocked out. So now let's talk about some deals for you guys out there. So first up, let's talk about Harbor Freight. Their President's Day sale is a 4-day, 15% off any single item coupon. This starts today through the 16th. So not the best deal we've seen in the world, but hey, 15% off. Get those rarely discounted items. If you have any big purchases, that would be great too. But that is for everybody, not just Inside Track Club members. 15% off for everyone. All right, sort of heading back to Sam's Club, they're having a lot of great clearance deals. I'm going to have a video covering all of that coming out soon. Sam's Club is a great place to hit when the seasons change, as they deeply clearance out any of the previous season stuff. So as we transition into the spring, you can get some killer deals. Now, here's a great deal on this Works 40-volt combo kit. This is not an out-of-the-season deal. This will have you ready to go this spring with your lawn care. Now, this runs off their 20-volt batteries, but it runs them in parallel to get you that 40-volt power, and you're getting the mower, the blower, and the string trimmer all for $250, and you're getting those 2 batteries and a charger as well. That is $180 off the normal price. All right, when searching for deals, I ran across this Shoe Palace site that had these Ghostbusters Crocs that look amazing, and they are just $30 on sale. So if you want to embarrass your kids, you're a fan of Crocs, fan of Ghostbusters, definitely check out these. Here's a killer TV deal over at Best Buy. They have this Pioneer with the Roku TV built in. It's a 4K Ultra HD TV. This is a 50-inch for just $150. That is an insane deal. This would be great for maybe a garage, shop, bedroom, anything like that, a smaller area TV. I think 50 inch is a perfect size for that, and that's a great deal. All right, next up, let's check out Walmart. They have this great price on these Dickies work socks. This is a 12-pack of their Dry Tech socks, and this is half off the normal price at just $7.42. Over at Lowe's, they have a great deal on this 6-gallon pancake air compressor from Cobalt. I like this handle on the top, so this is a great portable option. I also like to have the on and off switch right on that handle, but this is capable of up to 175 PSI, and it's $160. All right, let's switch on over to Amazon. I talked about a lot of the Klein tool deals going on at Lowe's in my Lowe's video, so go check out that, especially if you're a fan of Klein tools. But here's a deal over on Amazon. This is the digital probe thermometer, so it'll be a great meat thermometer, and it has an infrared thermometer built into it. So this could really be the ultimate grilling and griddling thermometer. You're getting a meat thermometer and IR thermometer in one very slim tool, and this is on sale for just $24. $34. That's over half off the normal price. All right, next up, I think every dad had one of these growing up. This is the Craftsman small stackable parts organizer with the little mini drawers. So great for obviously holding nails and screws and little bolts, things like that. This is 40% off right now at $17. Here's a nice bit set from Makita. This is your impact rated 60-piece bit set at $23. Vevor has some pretty good deals going on at Amazon. Vevor is one of those companies that really just makes everything, and their products can be a little hit or miss. So sometimes it's nice to buy on Amazon so you can return it if it's not that good or has a defect. But here is their garden cart, perfect for this spring. You're getting the nice big pneumatic wheels, has removable sides, a rotating handle, and this is $61.90. Also from Vevor, they have this portable work stand. This is sort of similar to the Bora, but a great collapsible workbench. Obviously is great for a small shop or garage, can store away nice and easily and then set up pretty quickly. But this is on sale for $72.90. Next up is a nice price on the Bissell Little Green portable carpet and upholstery cleaner. These are great car detailers as well. This is the self-cleaning version. Comes with some formula and some other nozzles, and this is $120. All right, here we have a nice price on the Black & Decker mouse detail sander. This is the corded version, and this is $42. A great small laptop charger and power bank. This is from Anker. They make great chargers. Has a screen on it so you can tell how much juice it has in it. Has 3 USB-C ports. All the cables are retractable, which is really nice as well. But this is $105 for this. These Wolfbox air blowers are amazing tools. You will find a ton of uses for these. These are great for cleaning air filters, even clearing light snow from your car. Great for after car washes, at drying off your car. And it's just so small and compact. You will be amazed at how powerful these things are. Wolfbox is a great brand of these, and this one's on sale for $32. And then last up over at Amazon, these Shark space heaters and fans. This is the bladeless version. I actually have this exact one. One of the cool features about this is it can go horizontal, so it can give you sort of an air blanket over your bed. But these are half off right now at $200. So kind of a great all-in-one fan heater combo from Shark. All right, next up, let's check out Home Depot. They have a lot of great deals of the day going on. First up here is this set of Milwaukee multi-tool blades. This is a 5-piece set for $19. They also have this Milwaukee battery set. You're getting a 3-pack of their 6 amp hour high output batteries at $250. That is half off the normal price. Here's a 2-tool combo kit from Milwaukee. These are the fuel brushless versions of the hammer drill and impact driver. You're also getting 3 batteries with this, and a charger and a case for $380. Now next up, DeWalt, their random orbital sander here. This is the battery version with the 5 amp hour battery and charger and case for $180, which is a great price. Here's the Atomic 1/4-inch brushless impact driver with the 5 amp hour battery, and then you're going to get a Power Stack 2 amp hour battery on top of that for $230. The very popular DeWalt planer, one of the top rated ones out there, is on sale for $700, and you're getting the stand with it as well. On the rigid side of things, here's their portable inflator. This thing is awesome. Has that digital display on it with a 2 amp hour battery and charger included for under $100 at $99. Also from Rigid, we have their angle grinder here, and you're getting a 2-pack of their batteries, and they're the 6 amp hour batteries at $219. Nice Ryobi kit here. This is sort of maybe your camping kit. Comes with a light, a Bluetooth speaker, and a clamp fan. I am a massive fan of this clamp fan. I love it. I use it all the time. And you're getting a 1.5 amp hour battery, a pretty lightweight battery there, and a charger for $64 though. That's a great price. Another combo kit here. This is sort of a flashlight combo kit. You're getting the hybrid panel light, the spotlight, and the flexible light. No batteries though for $89. Next up, we have the hybrid fan. So this runs off those 18-volt batteries, but can also be run with an extension cord, which is awesome. This is coming with a 2 amp hour battery and charger at just under $65. Here's kind of a woodworkers combo kit here from Ryobi. You're getting the circular saw and the jigsaw for $69. The deals of the day just keep coming. Now, these are valid only today. This is Friday, February 13th. Here from Bosch, we have their aluminum benchtop router table at $194. And then last up here, we have a lot of these Milwaukee heated jackets, probably the most popular heated jackets on the market. They have a lot of these on clearance into the season deal. Here is the heated vest at $90. Has that new hexagon technology in it. They have the heated hoodie that comes with the M12 battery and charger at $100. The Tough Shell jacket that comes with the 3 amp hour battery and charger on the M12 system at $130. And then last up here, we have the camo jacket with the 3 amp hour battery and charger at $180. All right, those are the deals this week. As always, if you find my videos helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Remember those links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.